Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm thinking I'll make a launching platform for the tow line glider, which has only just come off the bench. So what I'm thinking of, let's draw a picture. Might help, mightn't it? Flash some ideas out. Oops. What I'm thinking is something along the lines of a sort of a shape like that, which would be possibly that wood there, so it would be sort of like that. That would be the feet, and then on there will be my sort of launching sticks, which that's way too wide, of course, so we come in a bit. There'll be sort of like that, the width for the fuselage, and then the model can sit between there and launch at an angle, so from the side it'll look like that, and then that cross piece, and then the sticks going up like that. Oh, how about, that's an idea, we can thread through there, rest on there like that, so it comes off straight up, or that goes under there, just sits on the wing like that, perhaps. That'll do it, straight up and cleanly off. So I've been playing about, and this is what I've got so far. I glue all this together with epoxy, and then I've got two, just to alter the angle, but the whole thing's a little bit wobbly to sit on the ground. So I think what I'll do is just put a outrigger on the front like that. Then I can, if necessary, just put a couple of pins into the ground. That'll hold it. In fact, I guess that would be better off at the front. I'll sand them nice and flat, and then just one at the back like that. And then that's about the right distance apart. Let's just try it to double check. Just put that on there a minute. And I'm thinking that the tail skin, what have you, can just rest into the ground. And that will come off clean. In fact, that goes in there like that. So I angle those up a little bit more, like that, and then it'll just tow straight off and off. And then for transport, I can just close it flat, pop it in my bag. That's the plan. So yeah, let's mix up some epoxy and get these things assembled up. If I have to put something at the back, I'll have to work it out in a minute. So far, let's just get this lot epoxy together and get it drying, There we go. It's crude, but should do the job. These holes, incidentally, are in case I want to sort of skewer it into the ground, but that will go in there, and that should support the back of the tail skid. That's going to go there. Right, let's have a look. How is this going to sit? Might have to go out onto the grass and put it in there. It goes under the struts. So at the moment, oh, look at that. Probably won't do that in the grass because the back of the rudder will fall into the grass. I was having a thought whether I could put a little piece of wood across just to catch the tow hook, beg your pardon, the tail skid, to stop it dropping down. Okay, that will go in there. Square it up like that, and that's about it. There you go, guys. I think that works pretty well. I've got the tail skid underneath there. You can't really see it, but resting against the bar. You see it this side? Not really, yeah, a little bit. Trim the bottom of the rudder, and I can obviously alter the angle of the takeoff depending on how it goes. So yeah, that'll do. Let's get some varnish on it. Hit the little subscribe button if you're not, and you can see the maiden flight. I'll also link to the build video for this model. Cheers.